And now we arrive at the absolute master category of standard mathematical systems, real numbers, represented across the scientific community by the capital letter R. This set brings an end to the divisions. It is the ultimate fusion, binding every single rational and irrational numbers together into one unified field. The easiest way to understand real numbers is visually. Think of a continuous infinite geometry line. Every single distinct spot, fraction, coordinate, or microscopic point on that line corresponds directly to a real number. From negative infinity on the left, passing smoothly through zero, all the way to positive infinity on right. Because of this, practically any real value you can pull from your imagination fits safely inside this system. Negative fractions like negative 15 fourths, raw decimals like negative 2.5, irrational constants like pi and Euler's number e, or radical values like the square root of 2. If it represents a real measurable coordinate space on Earth, it lives inside set R.